They promised us job security, fat salaries, and work from home dreams. But today, lakhs of engineers are unemployed. This is the untold story of India's IT job market crisis in 2025.
In 2015, every Indian parent's dream was simple: beta, become a software engineer. Fast forward to 2025, and thousands of engineers are jobless, not because they're not skilled, but because the system broke. Let me explain. For the past 2 decades, India has been the IT back office of the world. Big players like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, they hired in bulk, trained in mass, and exported Indian talent globally. But then came three storms. COVID-19. Remote work was a boon at first, but then it showed companies they could cut costs globally. Recession fears in the US. Top tech clients cut their spending, and Indian IT firms lost major contracts. AI and automation. Suddenly, junior coders and support jobs became automatable. Between 2023 and 2025, nearly 150,000 tech employees were laid off in India. And unlike the West, here we don't get severance, we get silence. The biggest shock: freshers from even Tier 1 colleges are sitting jobless. Some were offered jobs 2 years ago, still waiting for joining dates. Others were ghosted completely. But here's where it gets worse. Colleges are still producing 1 million plus engineering graduates every year. But less than 20% are employable in real-world tech roles. Because while tech moved ahead to AI, cloud, DevOps, colleges are still stuck teaching C, Java, and outdated syllabus. So who's really to blame? The IT companies, the government, or the broken education system? Maybe all of them. But there's a way forward, and it doesn't involve crying about layoffs. If you're a student or fresher right now, here's the truth: no one's coming to save you. This is the best time to level up, learn real-world skills, contribute to open source, build projects, do internships even if unpaid, because the era of mass hiring is gone. Now it's skill hiring, and if you're someone who's already working, upskill like your job depends on it. Because it actually does. The Indian IT market isn't dying, it's evolving, and only those who evolve with it will survive it.
Let me know in the comments. Are you affected by this? Are you a fresher or experienced? Let's talk and share this video. Someone out there needs to hear this today.